Take my hand and tell me that you love me one more time. Remembering the past we leave behind, and steal the breath that whisper your goodbye. Fast awake and find a wooden box where I can lay and briefly cry.